अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम मुजीब हुसैन है और आप देख रहे हैं दी कॉमन मैन। गुज़श्ता हफ्ते हमने मेडिकल टर्मिनोलॉजीज़ के बारे में बात की थी। आज उसी सेशन की अगली वीडियोस आपकी खिदमत में पेश है। इस वीडियो में हम बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो जिन अफराद ने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी, वो ऊपर लिंक आ रहा है, वो देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज का जो हमारा पहला वर्ड है वो है न्यूरोलॉजी। न्यूरोलॉजी को बेसिकली अगर डिवाइड किया जाए तो न्यूरो मीन्स नर्व आर रिलेटेड टू द नर्वस सिस्टम, और दूसरा जो वर्ड है वो ओलॉजी और ओलॉजी है, जिसका मतलब है स्टडी ऑफ। तो बेसिकली न्यूरोलॉजी का मतलब है स्टडी ऑफ द नर्व्स और नर्वस सिस्टम। और नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ल्यूकोसाइट। ब्रेकिंग इनटू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स, ल्यूको मीन वाइट एंड सेल stand for cyte. So leukocyte is called white blood cells. Next word is hemophilia. Hemo mean blood and philia mean love of. So hemophilia means love of blood. It means inherited blood condition involving inappropriate bleeding. Our next word is hypoxia. Hypo mean low or decreased or below normal. Oxia mean oxygen. So hypoxia mean low oxygen levels. Our next word is hypercapnia. Hyper mean high or above normal or elevated, and capnia mean carbon dioxide. So hypercapnia means high or above normal carbon dioxide levels in the blood. Our next word is hepatomegaly. Hepato mean liver and megaly mean enlarged. So hepatomegaly mean enlarged liver. Our next word is tachypnea. Tachy mean rapid or fast, and apnea mean air or breathing. So tachypnea mean rapid or fast breathing. Atrophy. Atrophy mean A stands for absence of or lack of, and trophy mean growth in cell size. So atrophy mean lack or absence cell growth or wasting of muscle. Our next word is bradycardia. Brady mean slow and cardia means heart. So bradycardia means slower than normal heart rate. Our next word is gastroenterology. Gastro stands for stomach, इंटेरो stands for small intestine यानी कि छोटी आंत, ओलॉजी मीन study of, gastroenterology mean study of the gastrointestinal system. Erythrocytes. Erythro mean red and cyte stands for cell. So erythrocyte means red blood cell. Colitis. Colo mean colon जिसे हम बड़ी आंत कहते हैं, and itis stands for inflammation. So colitis mean inflammation of the colon. Our next word is hypertension. Hyper mean high or above normal or elevated, and tension mean pressure. Hypertension stands for high or above normal blood pressure. Our next word is chromophobia. Chromo means color and phobia stands for fear of. So chromophobia is fear of or aversion to colors. Macrocephaly. Macro mean large and cephaly refers to head or related to the head. So macrocephaly means large or larger than average head. Our next word is transdermal. Trans mean across and dermal mean skin or dermis. So transdermal means across the skin. Next word is extrathoracic. Extra mean outside or outer or exterior. Thoracic mean chest or pertaining to the chest. So extrathoracic mean pertaining to outside the chest. Intra-abdominal. Intra means within or inside or inner. Abdominal means related to the abdomen. Intra-abdominal is within or inside the abdomen. Our next word is adrenal. Ad means toward or above. Renal stands for kidney. So adrenal means organ towards or above the kidney. Parathyroid. Para means nearby and thyroid is thyroid gland. So parathyroid glands are small organs near the thyroid. Perinephric. Peri means around and nephric means related to the kidney. Perinephric means pertaining to around the kidney. So anyways guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. And thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.